Did you know that the live streaming industry is expected to reach over $200 billion in just a few years? Crazy, right? Have you ever thought about connecting with your audience in real time? If you're curious about diving into the world of live streaming, you're in the right place. Before we begin, a word about myself. I'm Suresh, a former IT manager turned online marketer and content creator with a passion for helping people navigate the digital world. After years of managing technology, I've shifted my focus to building passive income and making the most of online opportunities. In this video, I'll guide you through your first live stream, sharing tips and tricks to help you succeed. Let's get started. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of live streaming. It's become super popular among content creators, and for good reason. In this video, I'm going to share the ultimate first live stream guide for beginners. So, whether you're looking to share your gaming skills, teach a class, or just have a casual chat, I've got some awesome tips to help you succeed. Problems and challenges you may face. Alright, so let's get real for a second. Starting your first live stream can be a bit terrifying. I mean, who hasn't freaked out about technical issues? You might be worried about your internet connection dropping out right in the middle of a stream, or what if your camera doesn't work? Then there's performance anxiety. Nobody wants to sit in front of a camera and feel like they're talking to themselves, right? It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed with all these thoughts racing through your mind. But don't worry, we're going to tackle these challenges head on. So how do we prepare to crush those fears? First off, choosing the right platform is key. Do you want to stream on YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook? Each platform has its own vibe and audience, so think about where you want to connect with people. Next up, let's talk equipment. You don't need to break the bank, but having a decent webcam and microphone can make a world of difference. Trust me, nobody wants to watch a stream with grainy video or muffled audio. And planning your content ahead of time is crucial. Jot down some talking points or topics you want to cover. This way, you'll feel more confident and keep the conversation flowing. Remember, the smoother your setup, the more fun you'll have. Now, let's get to the good stuff. A technique that can really take your live stream to the next level. Engaging with your audience through the chat is a game changer. When viewers see you responding to their comments, it makes them feel valued and connected. You could even throw in some fun polls or questions to keep the interaction lively. And don't forget about overlays. Using graphics or alerts can enhance the visual appeal of your stream and keep things exciting. It's all about creating an immersive experience that draws people in and keeps them coming back for more. So, to wrap things up, remember these key tips. Choose the right platform, set up good equipment, plan your content, engage with your audience, and use overlays effectively. Preparation is everything, and the more you connect with your viewers, the more successful your live stream will be. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you streamed before, or are you planning to? Share your tips or experiences in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos and the blog article on www.fountina.net for more cool content. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and happy streaming.